Hi kids! In this video we are going to know about very interesting facts about hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are among the smallest birds on Earth, some species measuring just 3 inches long. That's about the size of a big paperclip. These birds have the amazing ability to flap their wings incredibly fast, up to 80 times per second. That's why they can hover in the air and even fly backward. Hummingbirds have a sweet tooth. They love to drink nectar from flowers using their long, thin beaks and even their specialized tongues that can flick in and out up to 13 times a second. Despite their small size, hummingbirds are speedy flyers. Some species can zoom through the air at up to 50 miles per hour, making them the jets of the bird world. Hummingbirds come in a dazzling array of colors, from vibrant greens and blues to fiery reds and oranges. Their feathers can reflect and shimmer in the sunlight, making them sparkle like tiny jewels. Some hummingbirds embark on incredible journeys each year, traveling thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. This is quite surprising considering their tiny size. Hummingbirds have super fast heartbeats, with some species beating up to 1,200 times per minute. This rapid heartbeat helps fuel their high-energy lifestyles. Unlike most birds, hummingbirds don't sleep deeply. Instead, they enter a state called torpor, where their metabolic rate drops and they become almost motionless to conserve energy. Hummingbirds are masters of aerial acrobatics. They can dart and dive with incredible precision, making sudden stops and sharp turns in the blink of an eye. While they might seem solitary, hummingbirds are actually quite devoted parents. Females build tiny nests out of plant fibers and spider silk, and they carefully raise their young until they're ready to take flight on their own. Okay kids, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let's see about owls' interesting characters in next video. Subscribe this channel for more interesting video for kids.